Hi, Zoe. Are you a baby? Are you a baby? You're so silly. Are you a baby, Zoe? Yes? What do babies do? What do they do? Do they cry? Yeah? What do they do? Can you cry like a baby? Can you cry like a baby, Zoe? Wah, wah. Ow. Eyes. Do you want help? Daddy, will you help me, please? Oh, baby's crying?
You want your feet. You're going to walk over that. Want these on, Zoe? On?
Okay, go help your baby. Baby's crying. Oh, that's nice. What are you going to do? How are you going to help the baby feel better? What are you going to do?
Hard to do, Mom. Baby.
How can you help the baby feel better? Baby's crying. Do you kiss the baby or pat the baby? Eyes. You got your sunglasses on, yeah. Can you pat the baby? Maybe give the baby a kiss. That's nice. That's really nice, Zoe. Maybe you can feed the baby. Maybe you can give the baby some milk. Can you give the baby some milk? Are you rocking the baby? That's so nice. Dance. Dance. Are you going to do some sleeping while you're feeding the baby? Jeff.
What are you doing, Zoe?
Are you sleeping with your mouth? What about the baby? What about the baby, Zoe? Let's get up. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Up. Whoa. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Can you give me a kiss?